Wait a minute. SolidWorks? This changes everything! Marble Machine S is back! And I can't be more excited. With the tools I have now, I can make this project come to life. I want to thank all of you for sticking with me throughout these past 3 years. Even though it's a hectic and chaotic project, it's still got the same goal, and these tools, they're going to allow me to build it better, faster, and more precise for the best results in the end. We're going to do great things on the channel, and I will see you back for Marble Machine S Episode 5.